Hey guys, welcome to the Curse Garage YouTube channel. And in this kind of series of videos, I'm going to be showing some like time-lapse work of working on my 535i BMW. It's rear-wheel drive with the sport setup, staggered wheels and everything. Got the car, pretty cheap a couple years ago. N54, hemorrhaging oil, front seal, broken belt just before that. So obviously, if you know these cars and this engine, the front seal was bad. So when I got it, dropped the oil pan. We did rod bearings right away, king bearings. Replaced the front seal, got all the belt out of the oil pan, replaced the oil pan gasket, and then just started driving the car. Since then, just because it is higher mileage, didn't really care because it's kind of like my second car. Not my main vehicle, but I do like to drive it as a daily when I can. In this video, you're going to be seeing, just the simple things of getting my wheels off, taking out the power steering lines to drop the front subframe, just disconnecting all the control arms and such, draining fluids, and then removing the charge pipe and getting the engine kind of just supported and getting ready just for the subframe to come out. The reason why I'm doing all this is the car was smoking quite a bit, and figured with 200,000 miles, and not knowing any of the history else of the car other than the oil pan and the rod bearings, I decided to go ahead and pick up some turbos. So the set that I'm trying is Franken Turbo. So be putting those in the series of videos. Most of it's time lapse. Then I'm also going to be doing a few other maintenance items. Let's say I got new silicone inlet pipes. I've got just kind of replacing a lot of the plastic bits that break over time. Some new PCV hoses. I did add a catch can at one point. And then as we go along, I'll kind of show you guys some issues I did find along the way that explains a little bit more of why I had as much smoke as I was having with this car. Unfortunately, I don't have any videos, really. I got a couple small clips that maybe I could toss in here when I get to that point of the smoke that I was getting. So yeah, enjoy this first time lapse of just getting everything taken apart. Hey, hope you kind of enjoyed that time lapse, and be sure to like, comment anything, and subscribe. Thanks.